Alright, so I'm going to go for part 4 of these 8 American 1100s here. And it's about 5 o'clock in the evening this time. I was doing this at 4:30 this morning. I managed to get a false set and then just kind of destroy a couple of picks. I do things half asleep here. So this lock actually looks dirty. I don't know if it really shows up in the camera or not, but this one looks like it might have been used outside. Either way, we'll see if we can get it open here. And the last one actually only had 1 spool in it, and all the rest had 2 spools and the rest serrated. This one just had 1 spool and then the rest were serrated. These things have all had really weak springs. So I'm trying not to use a ton of tension on it because the key pins are serrated, and if you overset one, it's tough to get it back down without any springs pushing back on it. Got a little bit of movement on the core. So that means we should be getting close to getting it open. Unless I just overset 2, which I just very well might have done. I'll tension a little bit here and see if come back down. I've got it. Alright, so I think I raked it back down and then got it open there. Okay, so we've got this one. I didn't feel any spools in this one, so I mean, if I had to guess, I would say there's going to be 2 in here. There's a key on this one. If I guessed, I would say there's 2 in here, and they're probably just over high cuts. That seems to be kind of a recurring theme with these. This one's got some rust on it, so this one was used outside. The rest all seem like they were inside. Okay, so it's got caked on with grease, and if you can see that, it's just got grease caked all over it. It's awesome. Yeah, it's not too dirty on the inside though, so. This is grease from the factory. These might be tough to get out because the all the grease. Yeah, it's just slimy. Wipe this thing off too here. Alright, so these are all serrated. So no 1s or 2 cuts in this thing. And I'm going to be willing to bet that the spools are not over 4 or 5. They're going to be over the other taller ones, and so they didn't even come into play. So 1 is going to be serrated. 2 serrated as well. 3 serrated. 4 serrated. Maybe there's no spools in this one. Nope, 5 is a spool, but never felt it. So it's surprising. Alright, so then on this guy, then we had all the key pins serrated, and then 4 serrated and 1 spool as far as the drivers go. Alright, and that's all for now, and we will talk to everybody later.